You can travel for back in time here. A secret place. Where shall we go today? Why the moonlight no longer illuminates the world. Once, this world was bathed in moonlight that shone equally upon the night. It was neither hope nor salvation. It was simply something that was meant to be, filling the world as a natural truth. But from a certain moment on, the moon began to illuminate only the villages, the forests, the mountains, and the lands far beyond were left submerged in darkness. People did not call this a sign of the world's end, for the moon was still shining. At the western edge of the world, in a small village, a young man named Il was born and grew up pondering this mystery. Why was everything beyond the village swallowed by darkness? Why did the moon's light not reach those places? One night, an old woman spoke of a legend, of a blue bird that carried the moon's light within it. She also told of a nameless man who had seen the bird only once. The place where he stood was not even part of the kingdom of nights. It was a land marked only by name. At the edge of the map, beyond Astrael, there lay the end of a duty someone had failed to fulfill, and also the beginning of a path that someone else must now walk. The moon remains silent, but the world is waiting.